This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So the first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. That is the tool that allows you to, set higher values for the auto screen off parameter, since the highest you can go through the default system settings is 30 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So this app allows you not only to go higher than that, but also set custom values, any time frames you want practically. Anyway, so once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, simply make sure that the timeout option is set to the infinite value, or never, infinite, whatever. And as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to close it accidentally or intentionally. So just make it stay active and opened in the list of recent apps. So as long as you do that, your screen will not automatically turn itself off, no matter for how much time you'll keep the phone in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.